Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to discover restaurants on the Corsica Ferries application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on practical information at the top. Tap on the first option, welcome aboard. Then tap on the restaurant discover button. Here you can select from a bunch of options, which is Yellow's, Happy Self-Service Restaurant, Dolce Vita, Sweet Cafe, Gusto, Veranda. So tap on the relevant one that you are interested in. Click on discover, and as you scroll down you can check it out. Here you can see the menu. As you tap on it, you will be directed to YouTube and you will be able to check it out. As you scroll down, you can see videos attached, and as you go back, you can check out the other restaurant types and menus as well. Here you can see them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.